Hello guys, welcome to AT New York's cooking studio. I will teach you how to cook quick and easy but delicious recipe today. We're gonna make a bibimbap first and then 된장찌개 and potato pancakes. We have torso bibimbap cup here and 된장 stew, potato pancake mix, and classic napa cabbage, green mustard kimchi, dry anchovy, 콩자반, which is braised soybean, and pickled perilla leaves. For your preference, you can also put more green onion, pepper, and tofu, mushroom and zucchini for the 된장 stew, and then eggs for bibimbap. For your toppings, you can put sliced peppers. Yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna start with Gamjajeon. Gamjajeon is a Korean savory pancake made with grated potato. This crispy potato pancake are great for appetizer or just banchan. Let's open it. You need mixing bowl and whisk. Put the mixture and 15-ounce water in a mixing bowl. And mix well with whisk. And allow it to rest for 5 to 8 minutes until mixture absorb all the liquid. Mixture looks too watery, don't worry. Potato mixture will absorb most of the water. After about 5 to 8 minutes, heat up 9-inch non-stick pan over the medium-high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons oil to coat it evenly. You can make 4 to 5 pancakes out of one package. When oil's rolling on your pan, add potato mixture, spread it thinly on the pan. Cook 3 to 4 minutes until bottom of the pancake turns crispy and golden brown. Keep turning it over and cooking until both sides are crispy and golden brown. Usually about 8 to 10 minutes for both sides getting crispy and brown. To make the dipping sauce, combine soy sauce, vinegar, sesame seed, Korean red pepper powder in the small sauce bowl and mix it together. Enjoy! Bibimbap is super popular and authentic Korean dish. It's made of vegetable. Bibimbap translate mix and bap means rice, so literally means mixed rice. First, take out all the contents from the container. Have a cooked rice, cooked vegetables, gochujang sauce, sesame oil, and spoons. First, before putting the package into microwave, peel up to the dotted line. You do not need to remove entire cover. Put this rice in the microwave and cook for 2 minutes. When rice is done, take out from the microwave. Open up the cover. Put the rice into the bowl and then open up the vegetables. Pour over the rice and drizzle sauce top of the toppings and rice. And last, put the sesame oil. Gently mix everything together in a bowl with your spoon. Also, you can add many variations on bibimbap, other vegetable, meat, and egg per your preference. And sunny side up egg. Okay, we're gonna make 된장찌개. 된장찌개 is a staple Korean stew made with fermented soybean paste called tenjang. It's one of the most representative dish of every Korean homemade cook. Depending on the other ingredient add, you can make endless variation of the stew. Prepare a medium pot. You'll see the stew and garnish and the paste. Place the topping and the sauce in a pot and heat for 4 or 5 minutes. Place the topping and sauce in a pot and heat for 4 or 5 minutes. When it's boiling, remove from heat. When it's boiling, you can put some more toppings. You can put extra tofu, mushrooms, and scallion. If you like the spicy, put some peppers. Cook another 3 to 5 minutes. Korean traditional hansang is ready. Enjoy!